I'm Scott, and today we're going to be installing the James Duff hydraulic hood struts. It's a pretty nice kit so far. I haven't obviously installed it yet, but just looking at everything, James Duff is even imprinted on the side of the mount that goes against your wheel well. So we've got two of these. They're even marked P and D, pretty idiot proof. And these are the mounts that go on your hood themselves, and they're also marked P and D. For makes it a little easier to install. And then it came with two new struts. We all know it's a big pain in the butt to lift the hood all the way up, get the bracket or the brace into the bracket, especially when you're running 33-inch tires or taller. So this is a must for me. I've been wanting to do it for a while. I actually bought it at the Super Celebration West from Monster Mike last year, and they had it there, so I bought it. So I'm leaving to go to the Super Celebration East, and I'm gonna put it on today before I leave. So let's see how it goes, and we'll kind of see how long it takes to put it on. Well, I've got the passenger side done. I'd say it took me about a half hour, but I was trying to figure out where everything went, had to mark my spots, drill them with a 5/16 drill bit, and get everything lined up. I would say one of the most important parts of the directions is to take a piece of wood. I use the paint stick like it mentioned, and stick it up in here when you're drilling your holes, because you don't want to damage your hood. That could, if you jump through the instructions and you don't think about that, you're gonna put a dent in your hood for sure. Like I said, it was pretty easy install so far. I've still got to tighten up the bolts on the driver's side, and we'll get the struts put on and see how she does. Installation went well. Even got my Duff Tough hat on. Yeah, installation went well. It's pretty easy to do. Beautiful. I don't have to try to stretch up and grab that and put my support in. So got everything done. I tried, so right now it's on the middle spot. I tried to get the extra inch and put it all the way in the back. On my particular unit, it didn't work. Just play with it. There's 3 slots you can choose from. Find the one that works best for you. Made sure the hood shut nice before I put any pressure down on it. And it was a really nice kit from James Duff.